All right, fig lovers, this is Ross the Fig Boss. Today we're looking at a fig called Ponte Tresa. And I reviewed this fig years ago, many years ago, but I don't think I had a great representation at the time of filming. And I think I dissed the fig pretty hard in that video because it's definitely not worth $1,000. I mean, I think at one point that's what Ponte Tresa went for. It was a big controversy. People destroyed the tree, went to the location of the tree in Switzerland and just really went nuts. It's really a sad story, but regardless, I mean, no fig's worth it, and this fig certainly wasn't worth $1,000. In fact, today it's one of the more affordable varieties you could find, which I find to be a bit ridiculous because it is such a high quality fig, in my opinion. I've heard not exceptional things about this fig, but I've never heard anything really bad about it. Now, I have one of these in the ground, and I've been really anxious and patiently waiting to get to really evaluate this fig, but it just seems like no matter what I do, that in-ground tree is just not doing very well. So I've decided, you know what, I'm just gonna buy one. They were so cheap. I think I got one from my friend Bill in Lancaster, and been growing it in this container for a while. Lo and behold, it's producing in a pretty short amount of time. And we're gonna finally get to, I think, fully evaluate this fig because the in-ground tree I have is struggling. It is doing much better now. We just needed to protect it in the winter, and I think that was really the main problem with the tree. It just, if you're gonna not protect it, it's just not gonna survive the winter, I find. If it doesn't survive the winter, it's not going to produce, and the tree is a bit in a fragile state, so, you know, definitely not very good. But here's the pulp color that we saw in photos many years ago, which really sparked a lot of people's interest because this dark purple coloration is beautiful and usually means good things. Not always the case, but here's what I'm talking about here. I mean, here's a good, actually, coloration that you might find difference between different varieties and their pulp colors. We got the amber yellow honey figs here. We got a sugar fig actually at the top, lighter red. Then you got the dark red, which are more the berry figs. And then you've actually got these dark purple, almost black figs that Ponte Tresa produces. I also have this one here, which has got a nice pigmentation called, well, it doesn't really have a name, actually. So, yeah, this is a strange, I don't know, a strange color. But usually, I get really excited for something like this. I'm always really pleased to see something like this. I haven't really seen it myself, actually, in Ponte Tresa. So I am actually very excited for this. And I'm expecting good things here from the flavor. So let's try it. Man, this looks so good. It almost looks like a Black Celeste or something similar to it. Just got a mosquito there as he's biting me. It's very good, guys. That's really nice. This fig is really nice. I'm sorry that I ever dissed it. Shout out to Frank in Florida who found this fig in Switzerland. It's a real nice fig. Now, it doesn't have a ton of berry flavor. It's more of a sugar fig, actually. Maybe if it was pollinator, maybe if I got it to concentrate and dry up on the tree. It does seem to have a little bit of a longer hang time than I'd like it to be, but the shape is really nice. The way it hangs is nice. I can't comment yet on the skin, but so far I'm really actually liking this variety. To me, after we get more evaluation on it about the skin, split resistance and things like that, I would almost say that this is a fig that I could put in my higher tier of figs for humid places. It's very good. Even a little underripe, good texture. It almost seems like the berry wants to come through a little bit, but it's just not there. But yeah, high quality fig. I like it for many reasons. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit the like button and check out some of the other videos we've done now, other taste reviews. Take care, guys.